Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans on your personal computer using Google Play Games Beta. This fantastic platform brings many of your favorite Android games directly to your desktop, offering a smooth and integrated experience. We'll cover everything from setting up the application to enjoying your village on a larger screen. Get ready to command your troops with greater precision and immerse yourself in the world of Clash of Clans like never before, all from the comfort of your PC. Before diving in, let's ensure your computer is ready. You'll need Windows 10 or a newer version, along with a solid-state drive for faster loading times. A gaming-class graphics card is crucial for smooth visuals, and at least 8 GB of RAM will keep things running efficiently. For the best performance, a 4-core processor is highly recommended. Meeting these specifications will guarantee an excellent Clash of Clans experience on your desktop, allowing you to enjoy every battle without interruption. Now, let's get Clash of Clans installed. First, download the Google Play Games Beta application directly from the official Google website. Once installed, simply sign in with your existing Google account to access your entire library of Android games. Next, use the search bar within the application to find Clash of Clans. Click the Install button, and the game will download and set up automatically. After installation, you can launch Clash of Clans directly from the Google Play Games app and begin your adventure. With Clash of Clans running on your PC, you can now enjoy the game with enhanced controls. Utilize your mouse and keyboard for more precise troop deployment and base management, giving you a strategic advantage. Don't forget to connect your existing Clash of Clans account to seamlessly transfer all your progress and continue building your powerful village. You can also adjust various game settings within the Google Play Games application to personalize your experience. Prepare for epic battles and a grander view of your empire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.